So we're talking about the Airport Advantage here from Think Tank Photo. Now this roller is specifically designed for your smaller aircraft, your regional, your commuter jets, those little puddle jumpers that you're put on at the last minute. So this is your confidence when going through the airport that you know that your roller is going to get in that overhead compartment.
And this is really slim and really small, so on even the small commuter jets, it'll go into the overhead, or in a pinch, if they're all filled up, it can go right in the seat, right in front of you, which is awesome. You can just see how trim it is. One of the features on this, which is really awesome, is that this front pocket will actually take a 15-inch laptop or a 15-inch laptop case.
In a padded sleeve.
If you have it.
Yeah.
And what's great about this solution is that when you're getting on the plane, what you can do is just release this, you take this out, put it onto your seat, hold this flat, and then put it into the overhead. So that's one of the key features on this.
Exactly. So it's a very ultralight design. So it's coming in at 5.9 pounds with just the vertical dividers and a couple of extra dividers. So you're really it's gonna put you under those weight restrictions when traveling internationally or when traveling on some of these puddle jumpers or the airlines that are more concerned about weight.
Right. Now it does have a side handle, has a top handle. There is a top pocket with a ID pocket for your business card. On the side here, we have a mounting system for your tripod, albeit a small tripod, but it's possible. Of course, we have our super high quality wheels that are replaceable. And also there is a retractable handle. So why don't we go into the inside? And it's amazing how much this roller will carry.
So here we have it loaded up with a full Nikon kit, right? So we have actually a gripped body, a pro size body, a D3S with a 70 to 200 attached down there at the bottom. We have a 750 with just a little prime up at the top, so you can take two bodies with lenses attached in this divider configuration. Plus we have your 24 to 70, your 14 to 24, the 105 macro, and an SB900 flash, plus a little bit of extra room for a charger, cards, batteries, things like that.
Right, so similar to our other rollers, the handle system only goes down partially on the inside of the bag. So what happens is that creates a very deep space on the bottom. That's what allows you to put the pro body on the bottom facing up. But it also allows you to put some big lenses in there.
Right. The 200 to 400 fits just fine. 300 2.8 fits okay as well. Yeah. Right. And keep in mind, this is not the sort of the divider layout that it ships with. You get a lot more dividers, and you can look at that on the product page.
Right. Also, two zippered pockets right here for your odds and ends that you don't want to get mixed up in your case.
Exactly.
So, there are a lot of advantages to this particular roller. But I think it's a great travel solution because it's so small and compact. I think that when you're going through the airport, you're not going to be questioned by the personnel about the size or the weight.
Absolutely.
Because oftentimes when you're traveling, the weight is more of the issue than the size. And even with a full kit here, it's possible you could exceed the stated carry-on weight that's required. Let's say it's really low, like 6 kilograms or something like that. But so it's a real advantage to have something that visually is so much smaller than other options.
Right. And regardless, whenever you do travel and whenever you do fly, it's always best to check with your airline carrier to just verify what the carry-on requirements are. Because there are some very, very, very small planes that you just need to make sure, the ERJs in particular. But for the most part, this is a great solution and will provide you confidence that you'll be able to carry it on in any case. So, the Airport Advantage from Think Tank Photo. Thanks for watching.